So last time we have discussed in the previous class related to the case statement. Okay. Today we will. So you need to practice with the different scenarios, guys. When you practice with the different scenarios, right, you will better understand how to write a case statement and what will be the requirement. Okay. So this is just a transformation at the data level for one column. Like that, you can write case statement for any column. Okay, but it should have the proper syntax, so that it will work. It is not like that only one column we need to write the case statement. Maybe if you have 100 columns, and in 100 columns, if you want to write a 10 columns to define the case statement so that you will get the proper result, then yes, you need to develop. Okay. Now, what we are going to discuss today is minimum, okay, and max, okay, average, and sum. These four we are going to discuss. This is very, very simple, okay, but there is a we have a different use cases of this one as well. Okay? So, what I will do, I will use the existing tables which are available already here. Okay, let's see. uh, Okay, let me go here. In the Snowflake sample data, I will go this TPCHSF1. Under that, I have some tables. Okay, you have some tables. I'll take the orders table. Okay, place name, copy name. Select star from this one. So now we are under demo DB and demo schema, right? Okay. So when we want to read the data from other schema, you need to give a database and the schema. So I'm just executing this query to see the data, what data I have. So here I have a order key, order customer key, order status, total price. Okay. Order this what is this? Order priority, and clerk ship priority comments. We have like this many columns. Now, total price we have, right? Total, how many records are there totally? One 15 lakhs records we have. Okay, 15 lakhs. If you see here. Now, and we have a some, right, count. We have a count as well. For example, if I want to know how many records are there in this table, to know. Maybe if you don't find here record count at all, for example, generally, okay, but still if you want to see the uh, table record count, how many records you have, then what you need to do, you need to first check with the counter. How we have to give a count means, like select count of, you just give one or star. Okay. If you give a star, it will read entire line and it will give you the count. Now, if you run this, right, what will happen? You will get the record count. See, 15 lakhs. This is the record count. And this is record count. Okay. How many records are there in the table? Now, if I want to, see the sum of total, I mean, total price. So we have a total price here, right? So we have here some 60,000, 1,94,000, 10,061, something like that we have. If I sum entire data of 15 lakhs records, so what will be my total price? Let's see like that also. So to do that, you need to use the sum function. Sum of O underscore total price. You need to give like this. So that what it does, entire data total, it will give you after adding the values. So we do summation, right? So it will do summation like this. So total of 15 lakhs records, total price is this much. Okay, in this, if you want to know what is the average of mine, means total amount by 1,50,000. Okay, this is by 50,000. It means this is divided by 15 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see what will be the result. So this is the result. Okay. Now if I use this average function, I should get same value. Okay. Now let me see. Okay. Exactly. We got the exact value. You see? So you no need to do manual calculation like this. Okay. You have a average function in SQL. So like this, you will get the easily calculations by using the count. If you need to remember to identify how many record counts are there, you go to the count. If you want to know this is entire record level, you can get the count, or column level also you get the count. And sum what it does, it will give you the summation of the total records. I mean total records in the sense for that column. What is the price, what is the value, that will give you the total. And average, so average, you know the logic, so it will be total amount by divided by how many records are there. Based on that, it will give you the average. And the minimum maximum, what it does, in the total price, what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value, that also we will see. So to show you this, I will show you, in different scenarios. How? Let's see now. Okay, I'm using first, maximum. Okay, I am using maximum. So under total price, which is the maximum salary, total price, that we will get the value. So this is the maximum total. So yes, how do I know? Yes, this is the maximum one. For example, now what I will do? Okay, I will use the star, and here I will do order by. Okay, no, order by total price. I'll give the descending. Okay. Now what it does, it will give you entire data with descending order of total price. So that get, it will show you in the first record this value. Now you see 55,555,285. This is the first record, which is the maximum value what we have executed our previous query. Right. Now you see similarly, I will use the minimum. Okay. Min of total price. So like this, there are some functions which are very, very useful in our real-time scenarios. Now you see, this is the lowest value. Okay. This is the lowest. How do I know this is lowest? Now you see here, ascending order. Ascending order means based on the total price, it will ascend the records so that you can get the exact value. Now you see, See, this is the minimum of the record, that total price. Like that, we can use minimum, maximum, average, sum, count in one single uh, query also. So how? First I'll give minimum row underscore total price, comma, as, okay, what I will do, min value, I'll give like this, comma, and maximum of row underscore total price as max value, okay, comma, and average, right? Average row underscore total price, okay, as average, comma, hmm, sum of row underscore total price as total amount, total price, comma, count, count of row underscore total. Generally, even you can give like this also, it will work. Or you can give star also, it will work. Total records. Okay, from table. Now you see, it will work. It will give in single line. It will give all the records. Order, orders. Okay. Minimum value is 857. Maximum value is this much. Average value is this much. Total price is this much. And total record count is this much. So like this, minimum, maximum, okay, and then average, sum, total it will give. And how do I know in some department wise, that we will see. Hmm? Okay. But now we have learned using the minimum function and maximum function, we have learned some other classes also. In the class, we have order by, okay, so that will execute in sequence. Now, for example, I'll show you this order by how it will useful and what is the benefit of this order by. Are you clear? Minimum, maximum, average, and some count functions. Hello.
Yes, sir, now it's clear.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, but it is very simple. You need to remember all of these things. Now I'm just using the star. Okay, star from our customer table, and now you see I got the data. With by default I got some order which is 10033 something like this. Okay, but now based on the customer key, I want to display the data in ascending order of this. Ascending order means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Descending order means 10, 9, like this, which is the maximum value. From there it will start. So now to print the ascending and descending based on the column, you need to do, you no need to write here. You have to write here after the table. Okay. This is the table which will print the data. And after that, which if you want to do the ascending or descending, then first of all, you have to use the order by clause. This is the clauses. Around we have a select clause and where clause, okay, order by clause, okay, and having clause. We have like that many. and under that this is one of the one. Okay, and you see after clauses we will give after the table. All classes will be giving after the table. Okay, if you want to know, if you want to do any functions, then you need to do select from in between. Any functions if you want to do, right, generally to transform the data, you need to do between the select and the from. Here you need to do. But classes after the table you need to give. That you need to remember. Order by this where clause, and then group by having. These things you need to give under after the table. So now order by which column you want to do the ascending or descending. Now I want to do the ascending or descending based on this column. Which column? Under order key. Okay, under customer key. So now you see by default it has taken order key. But now I am asking do the ascending based on the customer key. Okay, ASC. This is enough. Syntax is very important. Same 1,50,000 record, it will give you in, you see, 1, 2. It will change here. It is not like that. Yes, if I give 1, it will go. It will come from 1, but it will print the as it is value. No. So what it does actually, it will print the value which is based on this number. Order by. It means what? I'll show you one example. Okay. Hmm. Now you have a column here, right? 1 Kumar, 10 Rajoli, 2 Chandu, 10 Rajoli, something like this you have. Here we don't have in ascending order. Here it is we do not have a proper sequence, right? Now if you do select a star from table, star from means all the columns, order by student ID ascending means first what it does, it will pick it up and print this value, and it will check only this one and it will not check others. Okay, and it will pick it up entire line and it will print like this, and it will print pick it up entire line and it will print like this, and then it will pick it up next sequence and it will print, and this one the sequence which is started next, and like this it will print. And here 4 is missed, then how it will get means, yes, not an issue. Okay, whatever the sequence we have, it will take after that only. So like this it will print. No, I want 1 1 1, but here K R N we have, but I want to start 1 1 1, but I want to start here C A B C with the starting letters. It will not work like that. Either you have to which column you are going to give as a first priority, based on that only it will apply. When it will give you the priority means, like for example, if you want to give these two columns, okay, in the order by, for example, then if this column is having same sequence number, right, then it will check to the next column. In this, which will which will come as a first letter, the K letter, it will come first in under 1. So it will print like this. If you are giving a 2 columns in order by, then it will give KLMN. This will give you the next sequence, and it will give the this sequence. So in case if you have a same value in the first order by, then it will give a priority to this to ascending the values. So similarly here, generally what it does, it will take the data based on the customer ID. Now here we have a 1 1 2 2 like this we have, correct. Now here you see first we got the letter 4 5 4 5 4 7 9 4 0 0 3 something. This is we do not have a in sequence here, but in this case only whenever if you are giving order by this number, it will give after, if you find same value, then it will go to this value and it will give. How do I give like this? Again, what you need to do, order by order key ascending. If you give like this, what will happen? First, whatever you have given this column, right? It will ascend the data based on this column. And then in the ascending order, if you find the same value, then it will go to the this column and it will check the ascending as well here. Now you see the difference. See now? So this 1 started. How many values are there? 1. You see 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now, for example, I will take the data into Excel. Okay. So that it will easy for you guys to understand. I will download this. So here you will have a download option. Okay. But we have a more, I guess. Generally, it will take a lot of time. Leave it. So here you see, I will print only that value. Before that, okay, I will just use where condition. Where, okay, customer key equal to 1. I'll get only 1. Just for you to explain. Okay. Now you see under 1, I have how many records total? 6 records are there. Under 6 records, after that, what I have said here, order by this one, and then order by key, right? So here you see minimum to maximum, it has printed the value. See, this is the maximum. Now, for example, I am giving customer key as ascending, order by descending. Order key is descending. Yes, you can give like this. What it does actually, under this, first it will print the 1111, then it will print the records which are maximum. That will print the value like this. Now you see. See now, first we got the descending, I mean maximum order key for the same customer. So like this, it will print the value based on the first of the your order by key column. And then in case if any similar value, if it is find out, it will go to the next priority. The first priority of ascending or descending is this column and then this column. So very important. Sometimes, right, this order by ascending and descending, if you are using more than one column in the order by, right, you have to make sure you are giving the right proper the column sequence and ascending or descending. That is very important. Why I'll tell you in the next classes why that is very important. Because if I explain now, it will not help you guys. In real time, we have used like this. Okay, now you see, you will get the many records with order by or descending. Now you see this is descending of the value, and then once it is completed one, the second value it will come. So here you see 1, 2, 3, you can see it here. And here, because the same value you found again 2, 2, right? So after that, it will give the priority to this one. In case, if you have a, for example, now what I will do, I will just change it here. Okay. Now I will change here. So now you see order key is, I have maximum order key is this much. Okay, 599971. Okay, this is the my order key. Now, in this order key, which is the maximum, which is the descending, if you have a one value, it will not help. In case if you have a duplicate order key, then only it will help. Customer. So, send. Now you just check. See, 599971 is just it is having the 30355. There is no other value. So it will just give you the same value like that one. Okay. So like this it will work actually. So this ascending or descending is very, very important. Okay. First priority always first column. In case if you found any duplicate value, then only it will give the second priority. And something like you can write many order by columns. You can give like this. Okay. You can give many order by. Sometimes what they do, group by all also they will use. Group by all. This all also it will work. Something. Sorry, this is group by, right? Okay. Uh, one comma. Hmm. Okay. Like this also it will work. Order by one comma two means first column it will give you the ascending order and second column. So like one means first column, second means second column, third means third column. Like the it will print. Sometimes in real time, if you see after order by 1, 2, 3, no need to shock. Okay. So this 1, 2, 3 is nothing but it is the first column, second column, third column. So someone they will give like this instead of keeping the column names order by order key comma cast key comma order state comma, instead of that someone right, uh, they will give the sequence number of the column. That also it will work. 1, 2, 3 means first column, second column, third column. So like that also they will use it. Okay. So very simple topic, but it is very, very important. The group by. Now we will discuss very, very important topic is where clause. Okay. Now this is entire data what I am going to scan from the table. Correct. This query what it does, always it will print the entire data which is available under this table. But now I want to filter the data. Okay. So now for example, what I am telling. Okay. Okay. Now consider this is my box. Okay. Under that I have some fruits like this. Okay. For example, I have some fruits which are different sizes. Consider like, just think like this. Now I have kept one machine here. Okay. I have kept one machine. In machine, I am just adding one, okay, program which filter only the specific value. Okay. Now I am saying something like this. Whatever here I have given, right? This value. Okay. Whatever the value I have given, that only I have to filter it. Now I have given the size this much. Then what will happen? When this fruit comes, for example, it will give only for that fruit. If some other bigger size comes, it will throw some other area and it will allow only the size of this pole, right? Similarly, okay, what it does under the table, how many records you have does not matter. What is the filter condition you have given, that is the matter. So that will allow the data to display. So it means if you take, for example, you have a fish box. Under fish box, there are many things, many blue color, green color, most of them are there. Now I am instructing you, okay, I am telling you that take the blue fish. Then what will you do? You will go and pick up the blue fish only. And sometimes I am telling you there are big box are there. Under that you have a red color balls and blue color balls, green color balls, different balls are there. I mean, here green balls are around a 10, you have red balls around, you have a 9, and you have a some other color balls, different counts. Now I am telling you that pick up red balls means under that box, how many red balls are there? You have to pick up entire. That is the my meaning. I am not saying only one. Okay. So then what will happen? You will be picking up all the red balls. Similarly, here what it is actually, this where class, it will scan entire data and then it will filter the only the matching records and it will display. For example, now how I am giving, you just check. After the table, see where classes I told you, right? Classes. After the table, like how we have given a order by, similarly where, and on what column you are going to give a filter? Yes, underscore, okay, order key. Under order key, I am giving this value, for example. Now you just check entire table, it will print whichever matching records of this. See, only I have only one record in the order key column of this value. Now, let me filter this column. Order status. First, order O underscore order status. How do I know filter value? Hmm? Which value I have to give? How do I know? Yes, we will tell you. Okay. Which value you need to use, we will tell you. So now you see in the order status, how many records are there with F? See, there are many records are there. So many records. Now, okay, under that, seriously, order status equal to F I have given, right? So I got so many records, correct? But how do I know how many records are there? Record count of this one. Then very simple. Use the count. So that for order, it will give you the how many records are there of? See, 7,29,413 records are there with the order status. See how much easy now. For example, I have given you the one book. If you go to the history in the banks, okay, generally in banks when you go, right, before computers. So they used to prepare, they used to add the all the calculation in their books, notebooks, big books was there. So they were entering, yes, first, they will take the book, big book, and they will search the our account sequence number and they will rotate the pages. Where is the book account details? And then, yeah, they will add that, enter. And after that, they will calculate how much amount was there earlier, and then now how much he is deposited, and what is the interest from the day the value amount was there until today, what is the interest of this. They will use to calculate manually, and they will update the value in the notebook. But now it is very simple. See, it will just we will be giving programming, and we are just using the just writing this value of count function, so that it will give value. So now we have only 1 minute now. Okay. Uh, Regarding this where condition, we will discuss more on this. This is also very, very useful in real time. The where clause, order by clause, where clause, group by clause, most of them are very, very useful. Okay. Functions, I am stopping now for this one, because already almost we have discussed. And remaining functions, yes, you can practice your own by taking the description in Google or somewhere. You can practice. Now we will discuss about the classes. Okay. In case if you have any functions which is useful, you just let me know. I'll explain. Okay, if I missed anything. Okay, guys. We will
Okay,
discuss
sure.
more on the where condition in tomorrow class. Okay.